The GT5 Pro smartwatch is a cutting-edge wearable device that combines style, functionality, and advanced technology to offer an exceptional user experience. Designed for both fitness enthusiasts and tech-savvy individuals, this smartwatch provides a wide range of features to help you stay connected, monitor your health, and improve your daily routine. Key features: sleek and stylish design. The GT5 Pro features a premium metal body and a sleek, modern design that complements any outfit, whether you're at the gym or attending a formal event. A high-resolution, full-color touchscreen display ensures vibrant visuals and easy navigation. Comprehensive health monitoring. Advanced sensors track key health metrics, including heart rate, blood oxygen levels, SpO2, sleep quality, and stress levels. The smartwatch provides detailed health insights to help you understand your well-being and make informed lifestyle choices. Fitness and activity tracking with support for multiple sports modes such as running, cycling, swimming, and yoga. The GT5 Pro is your ideal workout companion. A built-in GPS ensures accurate tracking of outdoor activities, including distance, pace, and route mapping. Smart connectivity. Receive call, message, and app notifications directly on your wrist. Seamlessly control music playback, camera functions, and more with intuitive controls. Durable and water-resistant. Designed to withstand daily wear and tear, the GT5 Pro is made with durable materials and has an IP68 water resistance rating, making it suitable for swimming and other water-based activities. Long battery life. A powerful battery ensures extended usage on a single charge, lasting up to 10 days with typical use and up to 25 days in standby mode. Quick charging capabilities minimize downtime. Customization options. Choose from a variety of watch faces and strap styles to personalize your smartwatch to match your mood or occasion. Adjustable settings and user-friendly interfaces make the watch suitable for all ages. Advanced features.
If you want to buy this product, please check description box link below.
AI-powered voice assistant for hands-free convenience. NFC functionality for quick payments and smart access. Built-in tools like a stopwatch, alarm, weather updates, and more enhance everyday productivity. Specifications. Display: 1.45-inch AMOLED, 480 by 480 resolution. Battery life: up to 10 days. Normal usage. Compatibility: Android 5.0 Plus and iOS 10.0 Plus. Connectivity: Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC sensors, heart rate monitor, SpO2 sensor, accelerometer, gyroscope, and barometer. Water resistance. IP68. Conclusion. The GT5 Pro smartwatch is a versatile and reliable device that blends aesthetics with performance. Whether you're tracking your fitness goals, staying on top of your health, or keeping connected while on the go, this smartwatch delivers everything you need in a compact and stylish package. Upgrade your lifestyle with the GT5 Pro and embrace the future of wearable technology.
If you want to buy this product, please check description box link below.